Welcome back to our channel. A lot of people confuse recovery mode and DFU mode. But DFU is the real low-level restore mode. It doesn't load iOS at all, it talks directly to the device. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to safely enter and exit DFU mode. Before you start, make sure to back up your iPhone to iCloud, so you don't lose any data. Now connect your iPhone to your PC with a cable. Quickly press volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the screen goes black. As soon as the screen turns black, hold the volume down button for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the power button. But keep holding volume down for another 10 seconds. Your screen should stay completely black the whole time. If iTunes detects your iPhone in recovery mode while the screen is still black, that means you've successfully entered DFU mode. At this point, you can click Restore iPhone to fix system issues like a stuck Apple logo or system crashes. Just keep in mind, this will erase all your data. Now to exit DFU mode. Press volume up, then volume down. Then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will force restart and return to normal. But if dealing with DFU feels too complicated, and you're stuck with issues like boot loop, white Apple logo, or a completely broken system, there's an easier way. You can use Ultfone iOS System Repair. It's a third-party tool that can fix over 150 iOS system issues. You can download it from the link in the description. Connect your iPhone to your PC. Open Ultfone. And first, you can click Backup and Restore to back up your data in one click. Then go back and tap Start Repair. Choose Deep Repair. Now tap Download to get the firmware. And once it's ready, the tool will automatically fix the system for you. When it's done, just go back to Backup and Restore your data. Simple, clean, and way easier than doing it manually. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more iOS 26 tricks coming your way soon. See you next one.